You don't need a lot of cleaning products to clean your home. Just use what you already have. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into a bowl. Baking soda effectively removes dirt, neutralizes odors, and has a gentle abrasive effect. Next, measure a 1/4 cup of liquid soap. It helps dissolve grease and remove everyday grime. Add 3 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, known for its disinfecting and whitening properties. Mix everything thoroughly. Apply the mixture to your oven glass. Rub it in with a sponge so the paste reaches all the stubborn residues. Leave it for a few minutes to dissolve grease and burnt spots. Then wipe the surface with a damp cloth. The glass will regain its clarity and shine. This is one of the easiest natural ways to clean an oven. Apply a small amount of the paste to a dirty induction cooktop. Spread it gently with a sponge and leave it for a few minutes to soften the buildup. Then wipe with a damp cloth. The cooktop will regain a clean, smooth shine. This is an effective way to clean an induction stove without chemicals. Cover a dirty sink with the mixture and spread it evenly over the surface, paying attention to areas with limescale or deposits. After 5 minutes, wipe the sink with a damp cloth and rinse with water. The surface will regain cleanliness and a natural shine. The mixture also works for cleaning a toilet. Apply a small amount inside the bowl, scrub thoroughly, and flush. The interior will be refreshed and clean. Dirty grout can be hard to clean with regular methods. Apply the paste to the grout and leave it for a few minutes. The ingredients help lighten the stains. This is a simple way to whiten grout naturally at home. One mixture with so many uses makes chemical-free cleaning easier, faster, and more effective throughout your entire home. Do this after each use of the oven, and you'll never have to spend hours scrubbing it again. How to keep your oven always clean? Or maybe you're wondering how to clean it without scrubbing. Once you know this trick, it will only take a moment from now on. When you cook dinner or supper in the oven, grease, sauce, or cheese can make a mess. After dinner, all that remains are the burnt-on bits. But there's a way to handle it. If you do this right after using the oven, getting it clean will only take a moment. And there's no need for scrubbing. When your oven is empty and turned off, get a bowl. Pour in just under 100 milliliters of vinegar. Boil a liter of water in a kettle. Pour the boiling water into the bowl with the vinegar. Place the bowl in the oven and close it. Leave the bowl inside for 20 minutes. After this time, open the oven. Look at how steamed up it is. It will be easy to clean now. Wipe the glass with a clean cloth. See how dirty it was? Now, wipe the inside of the oven. Soak the cloth in the vinegar water. You can continue cleaning the oven now. For tougher stains, use a sponge. After everything, wipe the oven with a paper towel. Don't forget to clean the heating elements at the top of the oven. Dirt collects on them too, and now they're easy to clean due to the moisture. Just remember that the oven must be off during this process. A crazy way to clean the toilet. I found it online, so see for yourself if it works. Place 3 rolls of toilet paper into the toilet. Then start using colorful dishwashing liquids. Begin by pouring yellow liquid over the paper, followed by a layer of green. Next, pour some orange detergent, then blue cleaner. The red liquid is perfect for removing stubborn yellowish stains. Follow up with purple liquid. For extra freshness, sprinkle the soaked paper with powder, preferably baby powder, as it absorbs moisture well. Then, throw in laundry scent beads to give a pleasant fragrance. Add shaving foam to the paper and start another round of liquids. Use pink, red, and orange detergents. Finish off with citrusy yellow liquid and fluorescent pink for the final touch to the colorful mix. Complete it with another layer of shaving foam. Leave the paper for an hour. After that, remove each roll one by one and place them in a Ziploc bag. Finally, use a brush to clean the toilet as you normally would. This method may be crazy, but it works. A clever trick for cleaning a burnt induction cooktop. No scrubbing or scratches. This method takes just a few minutes and helps keep your induction cooktop spotless, preventing tough stains and white marks from building up. Here's how to do it. Pour a small amount of dish soap into a bowl and mix it with water. take a dry cloth and dampen it with the soapy water. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over the surface of the cooktop. Baking soda helps to remove stubborn stains. Place the damp cloth over the dirty areas and leave it there for about 10 minutes. This allows the baking soda to penetrate and lift the grime. The dish soap enhances this effect. Afterward, thoroughly wipe down the induction cooktop. This step is crucial to avoid residue buildup. Just a few minutes of daily care can prevent permanent stains from forming. Homemade grout cleaner recipe. In just a few minutes, your grout will look like new. This method is highly effective and inexpensive. The results are fantastic. Start by pouring one 50 milliliter measure of dishwashing liquid into a bowl. Then, add the same amount of baking soda. Next, include 1 measure of hydrogen peroxide. Finally, pour in 200 milliliters of regular water. Mix everything until the ingredients are fully combined. Use a funnel to transfer the mixture into a bottle. One with a small dispenser works best for precise application on grout lines. Grout tends to collect dirt, mold, and dust. Its rough surface makes cleaning it challenging and time-consuming. Apply a layer of this cleaner to the dirty grout. For best results, lightly scrub the lines. Afterward, wipe the floor with a damp cloth and leave the grout to dry. Once it's dry, you'll see a huge difference. The grout will regain its original color and be free of mold and grime. This thorough cleaning costs only a few dollars and saves time. I do this every few months, and my bathroom always looks like new. Sprinkle your toilet with this magic powder as if you were preparing it for something special. It's a secret that will completely change the way you think about cleaning. Everyday grime and buildup will no longer be a problem. These two methods will get rid of them quickly and effectively. For the first method, sprinkle laundry detergent over the toilet bowl, then generously cover it with baking soda. Next, pour vinegar over the entire surface. The mixture will start to fizz, which means it's actively breaking down dirt and limescale. Grab a toilet brush, scrub thoroughly, and flush with water. Done. It's like a home spa for your toilet that also refreshes the pipes and helps prevent clogs. The second method will make yellow stains disappear as if by magic. First, blend scented beads in a blender. Then sprinkle them into the toilet bowl along with a generous amount of blue cleaning powder. Add baking soda, followed by a small amount of toothpaste. Pour in some laundry detergent. With a brush in hand, scrub well and flush. The fragrance from the beads will leave your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. It's a natural way to maintain a hygienic and pleasantly scented toilet without the use of harsh chemicals. Your toilet will shine like never before.